Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to share Ancestry.com membership with your family so they can explore your family tree too. First of all, log into the Ancestry. First, go to the browser and type Ancestry.com and log in with your account. Or you can simply open the application that you have downloaded from Play Store or App Store. Then, make sure you have an active membership that allows family sharing. Then go to the account settings. Click your profile icon at the top right and select account settings. Go to your profile, then go for the account settings. From here, go to the membership and subscription section. If you don't find here, try using Ancestry.com on the browser. You will obviously find there. Then invite family members. Under sharing and permission, choose invite family members. Then enter their email address and assign the appropriate access level. They will get an invitation to join your family tree and view your records. After that, confirm and manage access. Once they accept, you can manage permission anytime, like letting them view or edit the tree. This makes collaboration easy and fun. And that's it, you have successfully shared your Ancestry membership with your family. Like and subscribe for more genealogy tips and tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.